Hi, I'm Chris Klein. I'm the product marketing manager for utility loaders at John Deere. We're here at the World of Concrete in Las Vegas 2019, and this is our 544L loader, and we want to talk to you a little bit about this machine today. It's been about 1 month since we've introduced this to the market, and one of the things we want to talk about is the new cab. So on this machine we have a completely new cab, and it's been redesigned from the ground up. And some of the things we've done is we've improved the seat. We've put in a new air conditioning system, which is now outside the machine to give more leg room, and we've completely redesigned for functional storage to give storage for things like lunch boxes, thermoses, a good cup holder, phone storage, and we have 3 power ports for guys to charging their phones. So a lot of stuff inside to make the operator a lot more comfortable. The other thing we did is we changed our hydraulic system from pilot controls to EH controls. What this has done is allowed us to take technology and make the machine a lot easier to use. So a couple examples is, on our new hydraulic joystick, we've got actually 2 buttons on that joystick which are programmable. And when you go into the monitor, and you can actually program 10 different functions to be off of those 2 buttons. So you get to choose what you prefer to do with those buttons. So that makes the machine a lot easier for operators and makes it more versatile. The other thing that I really want to talk about is the ability to save settings for your attachments. So if you are using a coupler in the front and you have multiple attachments, you can go into the monitor and save your hydraulic settings, whether it's a bucket, forks, a broom, whatever it is you're using. And what you can do is customize the hydraulic flows and response rates for those attachments. That way, when you're switching the attachments, all you have to do is go in the monitor. In about 5 seconds, you'll easily be able to change the hydraulic flow settings for those attachments back to the optimum setting for them. And then just the last thing I want to talk about, we've updated the whole front end of the machine. So we've continued to have our standard Z-bar, our high lift Z-bar, and we've added a new linkage. It's called a High Lift Plus, and it's going to give an additional 1 foot of dump clearance over our current high lift that we've had for the last 10 years. The other thing we've done to it is we've taken that linkage and we've made it parallel. So when you raise that linkage up, instead of having the rollback we've had in the past, you're going to have a nice parallel lift linkage, which is going to make operating your buckets and forks a lot easier. So those are the big things that we've updated on the new L series. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you guys out here next year. Thanks.